hope you are well and blessed and ready to strut into success. Let's go.
I know the time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue.
Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Sierra Janae, and this is Sierra Janae Modeling Hello Pro. Gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming with an all new clothing haul from Forever 21. Yes, that's wearing all things black from Forever 21. Let's roll it. First up, I have this cute little black skirt from Forever 21, and it was just only $7, you guys. And look how cute this is with the buttons on the front and the little faux pockets. I love it. It is so cute, and we're just gonna try this on right now. What do you think? I'm just gonna give you a full look of this cute little black skirt. How cute is this, you guys? The pockets are really doing it with the buttons, of course, with this black shirt that I just paired with this skirt. And I'm going to turn around to the back so you can see the back view. There are no zippers on the skirt. Of course, you have two buttons. See, you can just unbutton here and then button it back into place in the front. Basically, it's so easy to put on. So cute and flirty and comfortable, and of course we slaying in black today, ladies. And if you want to get even more stylish with your skirt, you can also put on some cute sheer black stockings just to spice up your outfit, and of course some black pumps or some thigh-high boots will really set off this outfit, the skirt, giving that classy, chic look in all black with this mini skirt. Also with the skirt, you can have some fun with some prints. I have this long sleeve turtleneck printed in black and white shirt that I just also put with the skirt. Just giving you an extra sass and pizzazz and class with your skirt. Just spicing up your outfit. And also pairing it with some gold accessories, and you're good to go, sis. Hold on, sis. Where is... Oh, okay. Your girl thought... I thought the shirt was ripped. Okay, so... the zipper is here on the side. Okay, ladies, so the next thing I have on is this top here. It is mesh with a sweetheart neckline, and also has little floral, little flower prints going along here. And also I just love the little metal detailing and the little cute polka dot hearts. So cute. Wear this probably on Valentine's Day, of course. And I just paired it here with some jeans. And this shirt was also $9. Just only $9, you guys. The original price was $19.99. That is such a steal for this cute little top here. So perfect for Valentine's Day or date night or whatever. It is a size medium, so it is kind of loose on me just a little bit, but not too loose. I really love the puff sleeves, and it's very lightweight and airy. It's comfortable. It's a little bit itchy right here in the arm part right here, but it's not too bad to where you can't stand it. And I love the little ruffle detailing on the sleeves and on the neck. How cute. Also has the little ruffle detailing here on the bottom of the shirt. And also at the back, it also has a button that you can button up your top. And I love the little cute opening here at the back. How cute. That little detailing is everything. It's such a gorgeous top. I love it. It's so cute, stylish, and trendy. It's different from what I've ever worn. Okay, Forever 21. Okay, I really like this. So cute, so simple, and stylish at the same time. I have on this black long sleeve, deep square neck casual shirt. This also has a little bit of ruching here in the front, in this area, and it's also ribbed here. So cute. And I just paired it on with some jeans. I have on some jeans here, the same jeans, so you can put it on with some high waist jeans, some black jeans, all black of course. Put it on with some gold accessories, and you can just really dress this shirt up or dress it down. And the same as the previous price, this shirt was only $9. So again, it's a great steal, a great bargain. So cute and classy at the same time. You can even style it with a scarf like I have here. Just put it on and just zhuzh up your outfit, of course. Or you can wear it like this off the back. Just really cute and stylish. Of course, this is everything. Giving you clavicle, giving you chic. Okay? So cute. I love it. Forever 21, you know how to style your girls. And I'm just giving you a closer look at this deep U-shaped neckline. You can see the ruching here in the top area and the ribbed long sleeves. Also, here's a look at the back. It's just simple here at the back. I just really love this shirt, you guys. It's so cute. Now, moving on to the next item. Also, just to have fun with this outfit, you can also spice it up with adding a purse. A little cute purse like this. I also got this one from Forever 21. I just love the little cute gold handles on it. Just a little small purse to put your cards in. It unzips right here at the front. You can just put all your little cards here. Just a little card holder bag. Just something cute and light. And also the sunglasses is going to really spice it up. So you can add some sunglasses here. We got these circle glasses here going on. Just bringing this whole entire top out. Giving you a whole look, sis. A whole look, sis. So yes, spice up that outfit. Grab your sunglasses or a purse or some gold accessories, and your plain little casual top has been dressed up. And these pants were just $7.99 at Forever 21 on the clearance rack. So go check them out this holiday season. You can find some good deals there. Such a staple to have in your closet, in your wardrobe. So classy, chic, and stylish. Of course, you just clip it here in the front. And it zips here in the front as well. It also has pockets, deep pockets, and of course the tie, you can tie it in a cute bow or just tie it over like this and just fold it over. But I preferably to like to tie it in a bow. Very cute, stylish, and I just paired it with this nude top. It's giving you very sexy and classy look all at the same time. And I'm just going to give you a closer look at the corduroy fabric. How cute is that? Especially for the fall, winter time. It's very cozy and warm, so cute and stylish, very different. I haven't had corduroy in a while. I just love the pockets. Just a very great touch. I love how high-waisted it is. Very comfortable. You can tighten it to your liking. This is a look at the back. And it just has faux pockets at the back. And they also have a little ruching at the bottom, kind of like jogger style at the bottom here. Quite stretchy. I really like the bagginess of it. It's so trendy. It's a better look at the back here now. And again, I just paired it with this new top. And of course, you got your gold accessories. Just setting off this whole entire look. Very cute. And now we're moving on into the last item. Come through Forever 21. I'm giving you life in this little black dress with the crushed velvet and the little diamond buttons going down here in the front. It also ruches here in the sweetheart neckline. Just so elegant and sweet and classy, sexy, fun, all at the same time. Got your girl snatched right here. Pose. Very cute to wear to a party or New Year's. New Year is coming up, so this would be great for a New Year's Eve party. And it's also from the Forever 21 party collection. And this was just only, get this guys, $5 on the clearance rack from $38. So you cannot beat that. It's so cute. So soft, very easy to put on. It also has a zipper here in the back, but I just slipped it right on. So I'm just going to give you a closer look and a full view of the whole entire dress. I just love it, you guys. It's so cute, such a classic. You cannot go wrong with a little black dress. I just love the little diamond buttons going down in the front. It is so beautiful. And also you can see the little ruching effect as well. It goes all the way down, just giving that curvy effect and just really just shaping my body well. It's very soft and very easy to put on. Of course, this is the back view of the dress, giving me all kinds of shape and curviness. Again, this is from the Forever 21 Party Collection. So it's just kind of like mid-thigh. You can also just pull it down some. It's very stretchy, very comfortable, especially in the breast area. Very, very comfortable. You can pull it up some. It's just to your liking. This little black dress is really doing something for me. I really love how it's just showing off my shape, and I really like the crushed velvet, the texture of it. It's very soft, so on trend right now. Very classic black dress. And we cannot forget to add some accessories with this outfit. I would preferably wear a diamond. And I'm just adding some accessories. I have this beautiful ring here I also got from Forever 21. And you can also add a little cute earpiece, so just to dress up this outfit. And see how the earring just really bring out the outfit. And of course I have on the ring. This is a whole look, sis. They'll be like, girl, where are you going? And of course, we cannot forget to put something over our shoulders. We know it's cold outside, so I have this cute little black shawl. You can just pair this with a black shawl. I just got this out of my closet. Just put this black shawl and see how fancy I look right now. We just really just brought this whole little dress up. And we're warm, cozy and looking good. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this clothing haul from Forever 21. And I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing me try on all these beautiful garments here in the back. And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please leave a comment down below, give me a big thumbs up, and press that notification bells for new uploads every time I post, and continue to subscribe. As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, also I have a scripture as well. So we're going to read the scripture first and then the quote. So the scripture is, "You are beautiful, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made." Psalm 139:14. Yes, we are beautiful and fearfully, wonderfully made by God. And so just put it in your heart every time you wake up and look into the mirror. Just say, I am beautiful. If you're not feeling it today, sis, look in the mirror, dress up, put some makeup on. Even without makeup, just say, hey sis, I don't even have to have makeup on. I am beautiful. Get cute, honey. Get snatched, okay? Don't let nobody tear you down. Don't let nobody get you down in your spirit. Don't even let yourself, conflict with you, with what's going on inside of you. If you're feeling down and low this Christmas season, it's time to just celebrate yourself. Get all dressed up. Even that little black dress will get you in the mood, okay? So just stay blessed and just look at yourself. You have to know in your heart first that you are beautiful. So now we're going to move on to the quote. Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Rachel Zoe. What a wonderful fashion icon. Rachel Zoe, that is so true. Fashion speaks for itself. Your style speaks for itself as well. Whatever you decide to put on, think about it first. And I love dressing up. I love color coordinating my clothes, or just going outside the box, color blocking, whatever. I just really like fashion, and I like to express myself through clothing. So just try something new. If you like to try loud colors or cheetah prints or any kind of print, just try something new and just wear what speaks to you. So dress up and stay feeling beautiful. And if you like what you see, come and join CJMP, that's Sierra Janae Modeling Pro. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.